Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. So I start off by making myself some tea in the morning. All I do is just boil some water and put some lemon slices in it, and that's basically it. And I also add like a little bit of honey for my tea. So this is where I'm adding my tad bit of honey, and yeah, so this tea is pretty intense, but I just think it wakes me up in the morning and it just helps me to know that my belly feels good and everything. Next up, I'm making myself some oatmeal, and today I'm gonna go for the apples and cinnamon, and I'm adding water to it instead of using milk because the oatmeal is pretty sweet, like the oatmeal mix, so I just prefer to add water to just not make it so sweet. I also add some banana slices, and some granola and some peanut butter, and this peanut butter is all natural. And again, I add some honey, just a little bit. Like, I just like honey on my bananas, like it just tastes so much better. So this is the final product, guys, and it's so yummy. I love eating oatmeal in the mornings. It gives me so much energy for the gym and just my day overall. Okay people, so this online company called PPZ sent me this little night dress and just wanted to show you guys it. And if you're interested, the link for the brand will be down below in the description box. Like, it's really cute and it's really comfy. Okay guys, so I just got back from the gym. I'm gonna make myself a protein shake. I'm using water. I don't recommend this at all. It tastes even crappy, shitty, like so bad. But yeah, I'm so sick and tired of this flavor. I can't wait for it to be done. Just done. Right here, I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to use to make lunch. I'm going to make some avocado toast, which is my fave. I could eat this like every day. I kind of do eat it almost every day. So I'm gonna start off by making some veggies. I'm cutting up this squash zucchini, and I'm also gonna cut up some broccoli. So I'm gonna cook my veggies a bit. I'm gonna add some avocado oil butter to a pan and some chopped up garlic and I'm gonna add some garlic salt and some black pepper, and I'm gonna let that steam, but I also add just a little bit of water just to help everything cook faster. So now I'm gonna toast my bread. Usually I like to use sourdough bread, but Trader Joe's didn't have that one, so I just got this Tuscan plain bread. Here I am cutting up some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. I love these tomatoes. They're just so good. Like, I know some people don't like tomatoes, but I love tomatoes, and these ones are just so sweet and nice. Here I am cutting up a avocado. So, funny story, this avocado was not ripe. I had to go to the store to get some ripe avocados. That's why you see me have on a hoodie and everything. So now I'm just scooping out this avocado onto my toast, and I'm gonna smush that all together. I don't like to really smush it that much. I like some of the chunks in it. Then now I'm putting on my tomatoes, and also some black pepper and everything but the bagel seasoning. This seasoning is the bomb.com. Like, you need to get this seasoning. It's so freaking good. So good. So here I am making a balsamic glaze. So I'm just adding balsamic vinegar to a pot and half teaspoon of honey, half cup of balsamic vinegar. Ugh. So I'm gonna slice up some tomatoes, and I'm gonna slice up some mozzarella, and I'm gonna wash some basil leaves. Guys, do you see my basil plant? Like, it was cheaper to get the plant than getting a packaged basil. You see this world, oh my gosh, this world. So I just arrange all of that, you know, into a little cute little something. Add some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil to this. So here's my glaze. I'm just like, you know, being a chefing it up, chef tea in the kitchen. Hey. So here's the final product, guys. Let me tell you, this is so good. You need to try this. If you've never tried this before, you need to try this. So for dinner, I'm gonna start by cleaning the chicken, just taking off all the fat and then slicing it up. Of course, I washed the chicken, okay? I washed it with some lemon juice, lemon, whatever. Here's Nora, say hi. And then there's Mariel Emma. So I'm gonna throw some spices on that chicken, and everyone's seasoning up meat differently, so I'm not gonna even say what I use. I just use seasoning. And I'm gonna make some rice, making some basmati rice, one of my favorite types of rice. And then I'm gonna fry the chicken in some olive oil. Here I am making the salsa, and there's Emma stealing my mangoes, that little girl. So making the salsa, mangoes, avocados, green onions. Onions are too strong for me to eat raw, so I use green onions instead. And this is the chicken, guys. Also, I'm gonna add some cilantro. I love cilantro. And some tomatoes. You know, I love tomatoes. Some lime juice, some pepper, I think I added some salt. I'm gonna add some pepper sauce, some Grace pepper sauce. And this is the final product, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Which meal would you make? Leave a comment down below. Bye, guys.